You're not just a passive observer. You're the conscious creator of your reality. Have you ever stopped for a second and thought, damn, what if I'm way more powerful than I've been told? Like, seriously, what if your thoughts aren't just thoughts? What if they're shaping your whole reality right now, without you even noticing? Every vibe you put out, every belief you hold on to, is literally coding your future. You're not just living in the world, you're writing it, line by line, choice by choice, energy by energy. And the craziest part? You've been doing it on autopilot. But what if you stopped? What if you became aware that every moment is like raw energy in your hands, waiting for you to shape it? Because the universe, it's not solid, it's flexible. It's waiting for your instructions. And that's not just some deep quote for Instagram. It's quantum physics. Imagine this. Particles, the tiniest building blocks of everything, existing in multiple states at once, like waves and particles at the same time. Imagine this. Particles, the tiniest building blocks of everything, existing in multiple states at once, like waves and particles at the same time? But here's the kicker. The moment you observe them, they choose one reality. All right, here's the mind blow. Wave-particle duality, yeah. That weird science stuff basically means you're not just some passive spectator in life. Your awareness? It's like the DJ spinning the track, remixing reality with every beat you drop. Every thought, every vibe, every feeling you send out is shaping the world around you. Like you're painting graffiti on the walls of the universe. So reality, it's not some fixed thing. It's more like a wild canvas that reacts to your energy bending, shifting, morphing, all just because you see it. You're not just in the crowd watching the show. You're on stage, mic in hand, deciding the next verse, the next move, the next scene. Think of it like this. You're both the director and the lead actor of your own blockbuster. Every thought you drop, that's your script. Every moment you lock in focus, that's your special effect. Your mind's not just dreaming, it's throwing the party, sending out vibes that the whole universe picks up on. Like a DJ spinning tracks, your attention drops beats that pull in exactly what you're vibing with. So when you lock in your focus and own your role behind the scenes and on stage, you're not waiting for luck or fate. You're out here creating your reality, remixing the old scenes, and making your story straight fire. When you focus your mind, you send out waves of energy, increasing the likelihood that the reality you desire will manifest. But wait, there's more. You've probably heard of quantum entanglement, right? But it's not just some nerdy science fact. It's actually the universe's way of reminding you. Nothing's really separate. Imagine this. Two particles, miles, galaxies, lifetimes apart yet still locked together. One moves, and instantly, the other one feels it. Crazy? Maybe. But here's the kicker. You're built from those same particles, which means every thought, every vibe, every moment of yours, it's not just echoing inside your mind. It's echoing across the field. A silent signal, connecting you to people, memories, even possibilities, without you knowing. What if every random coincidence in your life, that was actually the universe answering your hidden broadcast? Because you're not alone. You've never been. You're woven into something way bigger. And the deeper truth? It's like having an invisible thread linking you to everyone and everything you care about, beyond space and time. Your thoughts and feelings, they're not just some private playlist locked in your head. They're like stone drops in a giant cosmic lake. Each splash sending ripples that shake way beyond your personal bubble. It's wild when you realize you're connected to everything, every person, every moment, every breath. Your vibe doesn't just affect you, it shifts the whole damn energy around. Like a DJ spinning tracks, you're remixing reality with every thought you drop. So here's the kicker. Nothing's set in stone. The world isn't some boring, fixed movie you have to watch. It's a choose-your-own adventure game with endless possibilities, and your choices, they write the damn script. And this is the real power move. Reality? It's not some boring, fixed thing set in stone. It's more like a crazy, endless game of choose your own adventure. Every choice you make, it flips the script, opens a new door, drops a new beat. The universe, It's basically a giant playlist on shuffle, full of tracks you haven't even heard yet, and you're the one holding the remote. Your thoughts? Your vibes? They're the real-time DJs, spinning the soundtrack of your life. So forget fate. Forget destiny. That stuff's old news. You're not stuck playing a role someone else wrote. You're the writer, the producer, the main character in your own wild story. Why settle for a rerun when you can remix your whole damn life? Because here's the truth. Your future? It's an empty page, waiting for your boldest, craziest, most real story. In short, your future isn't written. You are writing it every second with your thoughts and energy. Every thought you think, every feeling you nurture, sends ripples through the cosmic ocean. You are not just a passive observer. You are a conscious creator and architect of your life's masterpiece. Now, take a deep breath. Close your eyes for a moment. Ask yourself, what frequency do I want to send out today? What reality am I ready to create? Write your answer down in the comments. Let's build this awakened community together, supporting each other's quantum leaps. All right, buckle up. Here's some science that'll bend your brain. In the legendary double-slit experiment, particles don't just pick a side like you'd expect. Nope, when no one's watching, they go full-on wave mode, messing around and creating wild interference patterns like they're throwing a secret party. But the moment you peek, they snap back to being tiny little bullets, choosing one clear path like they've been caught red-handed. Think about that for a sec. Reality isn't fixed. It's waiting for your eyes, your attention to decide what's real. You're not just a bystander in this cosmic game. You're a co-creator. Your consciousness? It's the game changer. But when measured or observed, they behave like tiny, solid particles, choosing a definite path. This means conscious observation itself affects physical reality. Your mind? It's not just some spectator chilling on the sidelines. It's vibing hard part of this huge cosmic dance happening all around you. Quantum entanglement? Think of it like this crazy secret Wi-Fi connecting all our minds and souls no matter where we are or when we exist. It's like the universe's underground network. Every vibe you put out, every mood, every thought, every energy, it zips across this invisible bridge, syncing you up with the bigger picture. And here's the kicker. When you raise your frequency, you're basically sending out a magnetic signal, pulling in people, opportunities, and realities that match your new wavelength. Because deep down, separation's just a glitch in the system. We're all plugged into the same cosmic grid, connected, alive, and constantly communicating beyond what our eyes can see. When you tune your energy, you're sending vibrations through this invisible bridge. Ever had that crazy moment where you just know how someone feels, no texts, no calls, just pure vibe? That's quantum entanglement flexing hard. Our minds? Not trapped in these bodies, they're vibing on a frequency beyond space and time, like Wi-Fi for souls. It's wild, but true. We're all connected threads in this cosmic web. Your thoughts aren't just yours. They ripple out, touching hearts miles away. When you get this, it flips your whole reality. You're not just a spectator scrolling through life. You're the DJ spinning the tracks, creating the whole vibe. Your mind? It's a cosmic mirror, reflecting infinite energy, limitless power, and endless possibility. You don't just see the universe. You create the universe. Your mind is a mirror reflecting infinite divine power. The clearer and brighter you become, the more light you shine on the world. If you had the power to change one thing in the world tomorrow, what would it be? Drop your answer below. I want to hear your vision. Together, we can co-create a new reality. If you're ready to stop watching and start creating, join the awakened generation. Subscribe to Aniverse. Hit the bell to never miss a moment of expansion. Like, comment, and share this message with anyone who's ready to unlock their quantum power. Because awareness is the gateway to miracles, and your journey is just beginning.